Hello students, now I am continuing for the remaining part of the rupees and pies. Here they gave us some cash momos. We should find the is there any fault or is there any mistake we should find and we should check it. Here see one ball, item, rate per item, rupees and pies we should write. Item, one ball. One ball how much cost? One ball cost is 7 rupees. So they wrote correct only. 7 rupees, 7 writing rupees place. 7 rupees pies always 0, so 0. 3 pencils. The one pencil cost is 2 rupees 50 pies. So 2 pencils means 5 rupees. 3 pencils means 7 rupees 50 pies. So 7 write in the rupees place, 50 pies we should write here. 5 toffees. One toffee cost how much? 50 pies. We should write here. They forgot to write the 50 pies. The one toffee cost is 50 pies. At that time, what is the cost of 5 toffees? 2 rupees 50 pies. Here 0, 0, 0. 5 plus 5, 10. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. Now, another cash memos are there, same like that. We should find further out also. Next, see one toy car. Toy car. 15 rupees and 3 glasses milk. 10 rupees. 4 notebooks. 5 rupees. Now see, one toy car cost how much? One toy car cost is 15 rupees. One car cost only 15. So they wrote in rupees 15 and pies 0, 0. What is the one glass milk cost? One glass milk cost is 3.5 rupees. Now we should find for 3 glasses. 3 glasses means 3 5s 15, 3 3s 9, 1 10. 10 rupee 50 pies. But they gave here 0 only. We should write here 5. 50 pies. 4 notebooks. Each notebook cost is 5 rupees. One notebook cost 5 rupees means 4 notebooks means 20. Here we should keep 0. Here 5. Reversely they wrote 0. They gave 5 here. So in place of 5 we should write 0. Here now count 0 and 5, 5, 4. 45 rupees 50 pies. But they gave only 45 rupees. So some mistakes in this cash memo. So correct it. Next. Here see same type of another cash memo we have here. One toy car 6.5 rupees they gave, 6 rupees 50 pies, and 3 pencils. 3 pencils, each pencil is 2.5 rupees, that means 7 rupees 50 pies, and 7 toffees. 7 toffees, one toffee is 50 pies, that means 3 rupees 50 pies. One biscuit packet cost is 4 rupees 50 pies, that means 4 rupees 50 pies we should write. Total is 21 rupees 50 pies they give. Now check it is correct or not. Is it correct or not? We should check. One toy car cost how much? The toy car cost is 15 rupees, but they wrote here 6.5 rupees. So this is mistake. We should correct it. 15 rupees we should write. Each pencil, one pencil cost 2.5 rupees. They wrote correct only. 3 pencils. 3 pencils means, check it. 7 rupees 50 pies. 7 toffees. One toffee is 50 pies. That means 6 toffees 3 rupees. 7 toffees 3 rupees 50 pies. One biscuit packet 4 rupees 50 pies only. Okay, now this is only wrong. That's why we should change this all on 0. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Here see, 5, 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 2 plus 1, 3. Total change 30 rupees 50 paise came. We find the mistake in this 3 cash memos. First one they missed that. The next 2 cash memos they wrote wrongly. Here see, add the following. We should do the additions here. 12 rupees 50 paise and 13 rupees we should add. Do the addition. Additions first we should from 1's place to 10's place. From here onwards we should do 0. 5 plus 0, 5. 3 plus 2, 5. 1 plus 1, 2. That means 25 rupees 50 paise. Next addition. 55 rupees 50 paise. 14 rupees. That means do the addition for this. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 5 plus 1, 6. So 69 rupees 50 paise. Next 30 rupees and 31 rupees 50 paise. 31 rupees 50 paise. Do the addition for this. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 5, 5. 0 plus 1, 1. 3 plus 3, 6. 61 rupees 50 paise. These are additions. Next we should do the subtraction for money. The money subtractions we should do. That means 25 rupees 50 paise we should subtract with 11 rupees 50 paise. Like normal subtraction only we should. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. 5 minus 1, open 5 finger and close 1, 4. 2 minus 1, 1. So 14 rupees. Next subtraction, 103 rupees 50 paise minus 62 rupees. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 0, 5. 3 minus 2, 1. Here from 0 to 6 it won't go. That's why we should take borrowing and we have only 1 here. From 10 minus 1, 10 minus 6, 4. 41 rupees 50 paise. Another subtraction we have here, that is 19 rupees 50 paise and 7 rupees. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 0, 5. 9 minus 7, how much? 9 minus 7, 2. 1 minus nothing is there, means we can get 0. So 12 rupees 50 paise. Okay. Now here another type of questions we have. Now we should learn those questions. Yes, you have 30 rupees with you. With you have 30 rupees. Find out how much money will be left after buying the following things. One ball, 7 rupees. Ball cost is 7 rupees. One doll, cost is 8 rupees. Doll. And giraffe toy. Giraffe toy how much cost? Giraffe toy is 6.5 rupees. Total how much money? Addition. We should do addition. Total means always we should add on. Na? So 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. 21 rupees 50 paise. Total cost is 21 rupees 50 paise. Actually they have 30 rupees with them. What? How much they spent money? 21 rupees 50 paise they spent. How much money they left with them? We should do the subtractions here. Okay. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 1, 8. 8 rupee 50 paise money left with the person who has 30 rupees and they spent for ball, doll, giraffe. Two bananas cost. One banana is 1.5 rupee. One banana cost is 1.5 rupee. Two bananas cost 3 rupees. One packet of biscuit packet, one biscuit packet how much? 4 rupees 50 paise. And 2 glasses of lemon juice, one glass of lemon juice 3 rupees, one glass 3 rupees means 2 glasses, 2 lemon juice glasses 6 rupees. Total how much we have here? See, 13 rupees 50 paise they spent. Now same, they have 30 rupees with them, they spent 13 rupees. How much money left with them? 30 rupees minus 13 rupees 50 paise. Do the subtraction. 16 rupees 50 paise they have with them. Money left. Same model problem. Another one we have here. 3 notebooks, 3 pens, 2 pencils, 2 erasers. 3 notebook. One notebook cost is 5 rupees. So 3 notebooks means 3 notebooks 15 rupees. And 2 pencils. One pencil cost 2.5 rupees. Then 2 pencils cost 2 pencils 5 rupees. And 2 erasers. 2 erasers. One eraser for 1 rupee. 2 erasers for 2 rupees. Total how much they spent? 22 rupees. How much money they have? 30 rupees. From 30 subtract 22. 8 rupees money left with them. Next, practice time questions we have here. Here see, 3 friends wanted to buy a cricket bat and ball. Winner had 48 rupees 50 paise. Raman 55 rupees 50 paise. And Venu had 38 rupees. Here 3 friends, those are Veena, Raman and Venu. They want to buy cricket bat and ball. The 3 person, they have different type of money. One Bina 48 rupees 50 paise, Raman 55 rupees 50 paise and Venu 38 rupees. Total how much money did they have in all? Total how much? Total all means we should add 5 plus 5, 10, 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 1, 14, 14 plus 8, 22. Let's see, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 3, 14. Once again you can check. 5 plus 5, 10. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, 5 plus 5, 10, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 8, 22. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 3, 14. 142 rupees. How total money they have with 3 friends. Hari booked a rail ticket for 62 rupees 50 paise. Ticket cost 62 rupees 50 paise. This is the ticket cost. And here he gave 100 rupees note. How much money will he get back with the ticket? For 100 rupees they gave and they took ticket. The ticket cost is 62 rupees. Then what we should do here? Subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. Okay, here 9, 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 6, 3. Okay. Remaining money, how much money they got? 37 rupees and 50 paise. 100 rupees they have. The ticket cost is 62 rupees 50 paise. And they gave to the 100 rupees. How much money they got back? 100 minus 62 and 37 and rupees they have. And Geeta and her friends went shopping. She bought things for 58 rupees and 37 rupees, 22 rupees. Total 3 members, Geeta and her friends, they went and with this money she bought all. So total how much money she spent? 117 rupees. Geeta had a 100 rupee note. She have only 100 rupee note. How much money should she borrow from her friends to pay the bill? Total bill 117 rupees. But Geeta has only 100 rupee note only. That's why how much money she took take from her friends? 17 rupees she should take from her friends. Okay. In next class, I'll continue the remaining.